Hello everyone, this is JD from the West Coast, your average weekend garage mechanic. Today we have a 2007 Cadillac Escalade, and what we're doing is we are going to attempt to program a brand new master window controller. This unit here controls all the windows, door, and the folding mirror, and this is the heated one. Anyway, the previous one had issues, wasn't working, so we replaced it with a new one. The new one does work. The only thing that works on it is the window that goes up and down, nothing else. Everything else is dead. It won't lock, remote control will not communicate, and so on and so forth. So today we are going to attempt to do just that with our MDI2 and using the AC Delco software. The AC Delco page will have everything that you'll need once you have acquired all the minimum requirements for your PC, and obviously your MDI1 or 2 should work for at least what I'm doing. A 2007 Cadillac Escalade. I am going to log in and we will go from there. So should be, and I'm already logged in since I saved my password. Now I've already purchased the one that is for my vehicle. It's the 24-month access to program all modules for one vehicle, and I already have that, so I'm going to go to my subscriptions up here. Sorry about that. It's hard to film and perform at the same time. Maybe. Let me see why. Okay, login. Now it's logging in. So when you log in, that's how you know you logged in, because you have to get accept the terms and condition every time. Not one time, every time. And you agree. Then your subscription will be up on top, or you can even hit subscriptions and it should show. Now we are at this page. Now you'll hit view and the screen will pop up with saying VIN subscriptions. Do add VIN. And from here you'll do launch the TechLine Connect. Do not click this as an admin, just do this one, launch the TechLine Connect, and it should bring you to this page and it will check. So if everything is loaded accordingly, it will go to the sequence and it will let you know. So I am logged in and I'm ready to add my VIN. So I have connected it's already connected, and I'm going to turn on my ignition. It's in the on position. Close the door to prevent, and let's see, connect. Now I'm going to choose the MDI. The Bosch, which I think is the same. Connect. multiple year make models represent VIN. Please select. I know this is my VIN. Mine should be all-wheel drive. It's not the ESV. Cadillac Escalade. It's not the extended, so I will go with this one, and I'll accept. So now it's saying Cadillac Escalade SUV all-wheel drive, color which is black. The Raven, okay, build date was 2006. Okay, delivery date 2006. Okay, then we are going to click this. No, we did that already. I don't need to be there. SPS2 dashboard. This is my first time doing this, and I'm hoping I'm doing it right. Select the program process. It's going to be reprogram, replace and reprogram. Not reprogram. We're going to replace and reprogram. I would say auto detect tool, and then Java SPS2 version, Windows 10, auto detect new vehicle, the enter. Now, so we are all set, and I'm gonna go next. So body control, so I have to choose from here. Amplifiers, assist step control, auxiliary body control module, driver door switch. So I'm assuming it is the driver door switch is what I want, the DDS. So you'll choose DDS, and we're gonna go next. Okay, let's see what it says here. One of your available events, okay, slots, I don't care. Yes, I need. Okay, proceed. So the way it works is once you purchase only for one vehicle, one VIN, and that's it. And then I think you have 24 months to do anything else you want to do. So issue DCS. Okay, what is Reprogramming, operating system, interior light, accessories, history, resolve mirror. Okay, so option, new calibration for. So resolve mirror issue. I'll do, let's do this one, new calibration. I don't know. Okay. So I think the problem is my voltage might be low. And so that might be the problem. Okay, assist step control, auxiliary body control, driver, so driver position. So it says validating. Okay, look like it's doing, but I don't know what the heck this is. Accessories, interior lighting. I recognize calibration. Resolve, mirror, reverse. New calibration for start. Okay. Oh, here we go. Something communication. Let's see. I got a charger on my battery because I assumed I should maintain the proper voltage because I didn't want this thing to die in the middle of programming. So let's see. Success, no success, we don't know. Waiting, waiting, and waiting. We have 10 more seconds. Suspense. What we got? Look like it's doing something. Okay, let's see. Oh, I did like that. Bam. Yes, sir. Good luck. And there you have it, my friends. That's the way you program your door controller. As always, if I can do it, so can you. Don't give up. Keep up. I will be posting other videos regarding updating and flashing softwares. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.